We can talk all day long about burning things and the effectiveness of sprinklers. Until we show you, you're not going to get it. So that's what this tool is for.
I borrowed this from my daughter Madeline, who's sitting right down here in the front row. I promised her that Chase is going to get returned to her a little wet, but otherwise okay. So I'm going to put Chase in this sprinkled side of the burn demonstration trailer, because I'm confident that this sprinkler is going to contain the fire enough to make sure that she gets Chase returned safely. We're just about 30 seconds in, and Zell, you'll notice the sprinkler just deployed. So at this point, we're less than 45 seconds from the start of the fire, and the fire has already been contained. We're just 1 minute in, so you're probably just now waking up from that smoke alarm going off at 2 o'clock in the morning, and that's what your living room could already look like. We're up to over 1,500 degrees now on that non-sprinkled side. We're at less than 2 minutes from the start of the fire, so not really much chance that you're going to get out of your home alive at that point. We're lucky right now, right around the 2-minute mark, if 911's just now being called and activating the 911 system. Average response time for Saugatuck Fire is roughly 6 minutes from time of call to on-scene time. So just to give you an idea, we're just over 2 minutes in, and the fire department hasn't been called or is even en route yet. 20 to 30 years ago, when there was legacy construction of straight 2x4s, you had about 20 to 30 minutes to get out of a home fire in your house. And today, with the laminated beams and all the modern synthetic furniture, you have about 3 to 5 minutes to get out. I can assure you I know which one of those two I want protecting my daughter.